I know I can see the kingdom, that's alright. Oh yeah, that's alright. Oh yeah, that's alright. Oh yeah. You know what? Long in you know what? That's what I found out. Sometimes up, sometimes down, sometimes never down to the ground. But long as I know, I gotta see the kingdom. Can I get somebody to wave your hand? Oh, that's alright. Oh yeah. Clap your hands and quit. That's alright. Oh yeah. As long as I know, I gotta see the kingdom. It's another thing. You know what I found out? You can talk about me and much has to please, but the more you talk, I'm going down on my knees. The more you ooh, yeah. Can I get somebody to wave your hand? Oh, that's alright. Oh, yeah. That's alright. Oh, yeah. As long as I know, I gotta see the kingdom. I got one more thing. You know what? Wanna be honest, and it won't be long. You're gonna look for me, and I'll be gone. As long as I know, I gotta see the kingdom. Can I get a witness in here? Oh, that's alright. Oh, yeah. Can I clap your hands? That's alright. Oh, yeah. As long as I know, y'all stay right there. As long as I know, I want to hear them say, well, as long as I know, you know what? You can talk about me. Oh, yeah. You know what? But the more you talk about me, this is what I'm going to do right here. I'm going down on my knees. Oh, yeah. See, anybody want to hear say, well done? Y'all ain't saying that to me here. I said, anybody want to hear say, well done? That all right? That all right? Y'all don't mind? Can I sing a little bit more? Come on, y'all ain't saying that. Can I sing a little bit more? Sometimes, when I get to feeling pretty good, this is what I'll say right here. Long how many of y'all know you got a seat in the kingdom? Come on, don't prove it now. Say, how many know you got a seat in the kingdom tonight? Now, all over this building, if you know you got a seat in the kingdom, I want you to lift your voice in here. Come on. What will I know? Come on. Long as I know. That sounds good. Long as I know. Long as I know. Fellas, y'all quiet now a little bit more. Long as I know. That's right. Long as I know. Come on, say it a little louder. Long as I know. Ooh, yes, sir. Lord, I know I got a seat in the kingdom. That's all right. Oh, that's all right. Lord, I got a seat in the kingdom. That's all right. That's all right. How many know you got a seat in the kingdom? Come on, no fool. Let me see you wave your hand if you know you got a seat in the kingdom. I'm getting ready to go, but if y'all don't mind, can I have a little church before I leave Fitzgerald? Y'all sign by the dead out there. I said, can I have a little church before I leave Fitzgerald tonight? But how many know that God's been good to you? How many know He's been good? If you know God been good to you, let me see you raise your hands. God's been good. God's been good. If you know God's been good to you, and you're not ashamed, I know you're a worship tonight, but you're not ashamed, and God will bless you with two legs. What I want you to do for me tonight, raise up out of the seat you sitting in. Raise up out of that seat you sitting in. If God gave you two legs, you ought to get up out of that seat. Raise your hands in Him. I don't know about y'all, but I believe I'll run on and see what the end's gonna be. Anybody gonna run on? Anybody gonna run on? Say yeah! Say yeah! I gotta get out of here, but y'all put your sanctified hands together when I say, I believe I roll.